This is a fit for a 2010 through 2020 and possibly beyond Lexus GX with factory installed flush side rails and factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT XL rooftop cargo box. This is a 18 cubic foot cargo box. We found this size to be an ideal fit. There is no interference with the rear antenna. This is a dual-sided opening box, accessible from both the passenger and driver side. Locks and keys are included. This box measures 84.5 inches in length, 36 inches wide, and 17 inches high. It can accommodate skis measuring up to 200 centimeters in length. The box weighs in at 46 pounds and has a maximum carrying capacity of up to 165 pounds. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.